morning, it's your girl Jen, and today we are doing a makeup tutorial. I am so excited because one of my favorite makeup brands, Mcgrath, is partnering with me for this video. She is an absolute icon and all her makeup products are just opulent, luxe, quality, and she just launched her holiday collection and I'm gonna be putting on my best beauty guru hat and I'll be doing swatches and going through all the pieces. So let's just get started. I'm gonna put on some primer. This is Mcgrath's Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Primer. This primer actually has hyaluronic acid in it, and I know that sounds like really intense, but I think it's just the word acid. But basically it just holds the moisture in your face and just hydrates. So now moving straight into foundation, I'm going in with Mcgrath's Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation. You guys have seen me talk about this foundation multiple times. That was something in the bathroom clacking. I've mentioned this in a previous favorites before, but I absolutely love this foundation. It's like very weightless and buildable as well. And it's a really pretty satiny finish. It just looks like an elevated version of my skin. Just a version of my skin that's more cohesive in color. And for concealer, I'm actually just gonna do another pump of the Mcgrath foundation, and I'm going to just really get my under eyes, whoop, and then a little bit around the nose, just around areas that are a little bit more red. And I'm just layering this because this is a really nice buildable foundation as well. And I'm also doing this because I forgot my concealer in the other room and I'm too lazy to go get it. And now to set everything, I'm gonna go in with Pat's powder. I'm in the shade Light Medium 2. So I'm just doing a light dusting. So I'm just gonna do my brows really quickly. We're gonna just speed this up because y'all have seen me do this a million times. All right guys, the brows are done and now we can finally focus on the eyes. I'm gonna be talking about Mcgrath's holiday collection. She came out with her Blitz Astral eyeshadow quads, and there are 3 versions. They run for $65, which is, you know, a Mcgrath price, but I swear, like once you get your hands on a Mcgrath palette, you're like, okay, I can see why this is all completely worth it because everything is super iridescent, pigmented. I feel like if you looked up what opulent meant in the dictionary, there would be like a Mcgrath eyeshadow palette in there. So the first quad I want to show you is called Nocturnal Nirvana. And as you can see, there's just a lot of jewel tones in here. So this first color over here is called Incandescent Gold. Next we have Blitz Aquamarine. And this one's like a glittery blue-green, almost turquoise. On the bottom left, we have Blitz Purple. And this is like just a very deep, rich, almost indigo. For the fourth color, we have VR Emerald, which is a duochrome. And oh my God, it looks like purple and also green. Like it's 2 colors. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, okay. So the next eyeshadow quad is called Ritualistic Rose. So starting to the top left, we've got another gold. This is called Antique Gold. Next up we have Astral Rose Orchid. Oh my gosh, sorry. This is just like a really beautiful duochrome rose gold moment. On the corner we have Rose Quartz. Ooh, oh, this is just like a metallic rose plum color. And the last shade we have is called Beyond Bronze. Ooh, and this is just like your classic rich bronze color. I'm running out of space on my arms. Okay, we still have another quad, guys. Okay, third quad I'm gonna show you is called Iconic Illumination. These names, dude, I feel like whoever is naming these eyeshadow colors, like please get a pay raise because they all sound like a band that I would like to join or listen to. So starting from the top, we have Bronze Gold. Oh my God, okay, so this is almost like a wet looking gold. It's like a lot lighter than the other golds we've been using. And then next we have Blitz Bardot. It's this like deep metallic burgundy color. It almost looks like velvet. The third color we have is called Blitz Brown. And then for the final color, we have Astral Gold. Oh my gosh. Damn, this is gonna be really hard to pick. And I have like such a limited amount of eyeshadow space. Okay, we're gonna figure this out. I need some coffee. Decisions. One thing I'm noticing in all these eyeshadow quads is that there are no mattes. And before we play around with them, I would like to have some sort of matte eyeshadow base. So I'm gonna go in with another Mcgrath eyeshadow palette. So this is, before I was rudely interrupted, I'm gonna go in with Pat McGrath's subliminal. I'm gonna use the subliminal palette. That's such a hard word to say. Subliminal palette. That's what this palette is called. So I'm gonna go in with the Ultimate Taupe, which is this third color over here. Let's also move you guys a little closer. I'm like kind of far. This should be good. I mean, I could bring you guys closer, but no one needs to see my pores. I'm just gonna start building myself a little crease here, because there is no crease there. So with like a bigger one, please. I'm just going in with a fluffy brush and just doing these window wiping motions. I'm just blending it. Wait, what is this? Please leave. So we're just blending. Oh my God, it's back. Okay, excuse you. Okay, so now we have the Ultimate Taupe at the outer corners, and now I just want to intensify that a little bit more. So I'm gonna go in with Depth, which is this color over here. I think it's very appropriately named because we wanna go deeper. We would like some depth. So I'm just patting this here. I'm just kind of marrying everything together so it just looks more, you know, blended and not so splotchy. All right, that looks really nice and sultry. This would be like a really nice like natural look. So I'm gonna commit to Nocturnal Nirvana. F it. Let's just do something fun. Let's turn my eyes into jewels. So I'm gonna go in with this color over here, which is called VR Emerald. I'm gonna put it all over the lid. This is beautiful. Holy crap. I love it. Okay, so now let's do it with the other side. Emerald City right up in here, dude. Like, I swear, like, it looks purple in some lights. So in order to kind of play with that, I'm gonna go in with Blitz Purple over here, and I'm gonna use that same dense blending brush. Also because I don't have any more brushes, so I'm gonna go in with that same one that we used Depth in, and I'm going to attempt to put that right over here. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, wow, okay. Let's build upon this. Oh my God. I love it. Okay, I don't know why I'm whispering. This is a lot of color for me, to be honest. I'm gonna do it to the other side now. I'm like just kind of patting this on. And then I'm gonna kind of swipe as I get a little bit closer to the eye. Oh my gosh. Who knew emerald and indigo would look so good together? And now I'm just gonna get a fluffy brush and I'm like just gonna start blending. Let's do this. Let's just blend this out so it's nice and seamless. So now that everything's blended, I'm gonna go in again with VR Emerald, and I'm just gonna go and use my finger. I feel like with all eyeshadows, I just get the most payoff with my finger. Maybe because I'm just like greedy and I love that saturation. Like, it is less precise, but look at that. It's undeniable. So now I'm gonna pat that on the other eye as well. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. For my inner corner highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Iconic Illumination palette, and I'm gonna go in with Astral Gold. I'm just gonna apply that right here. Wow. Before I forget, I'm just gonna do my lower lash and just put that Ultimate Taupe shade all underneath it. I think we're done with the eyes, to be honest. Like, this looks, I am very satisfied with this. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes, add some mascara, and throw on some lashes. So the eyes are finished. I just love the way green looks with brown eyes, and like the nice purple is a cute pop as well. For my face, I'm gonna go in with Nikita Dragun's face palette, and I'm gonna go in with Femme as my contour shade. Just gonna give my face a little bit more shape. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that out. And then for blush, I'm gonna go in with BB Girl right over here, and I'm gonna dust that right at the apples of my cheeks for a little bit of color. So now it's time for highlighting. We have these two Chromolux highlight creams from Pat McGrath, and they come in these cute little tubes. These run for $30, I believe. So this one over here is called Astral Blue Star. Whoa, okay. So this is like a super pearly, iridescent blue. It's very pretty, but I don't think it's gonna work for this look. The next one is called Pale Gold. First impressions, a little goes a long way. You don't need a lot to make a splash. And this one's like a very glittery, gleaming gold. and I think this is the one I'm gonna use for the highlighter. So I already have like a lot on my finger. So I'm just gonna tap that onto my cheekbones. I think I'm gonna actually go in with a brush instead of my finger, just so I can blend it in a little bit better. Ooh, there we go. Got it. Definitely would recommend using a brush. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I'm gonna hit that top area right over here, the other side as well. You know what? I'm just gonna start layering. I'm gonna also add it in the inner corners where we put that gold color in. It's really coming together, guys. Wow. So now moving on to lips, we've got quite a selection over here. So Pat McGrath came out with duos of their matte trances, and I'm freaking pissed because I cannot find this partner for this color. I have literally scoured the house, and I already know what color I want to use. It's gonna be this one over here. This is called 1995, and it's just a nice nude color. I feel like there's just so much going up on the eyes. I don't want to play around with color, so I'm gonna go in with this. All right, guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. It's super festive and very like jewel toned inspired. And I hope you guys enjoyed this very thorough review of Pat McGrath's holiday collection. It's gonna be available mid-October, and you can grab it at patmcgrath.com, sephora.com, and also I will leave all the places you can get it in the description box. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah.